Genetic research has raised a lot of questions, but one of the trickiest is who owns our genes. The federal court is being asked to decide that in a case involving two biotechnology companies and their patents on gene mutations linked to cancer. Cancer patients are worried that if companies control the technology to isolate the cancer genes, treatments will become too expensive.
Brisbane woman Yvonne Darcy has a history of breast cancer and doesn't like the idea of a person's genes being controlled by anyone.
Somebody owning a part of me, or you, or anybody else, and I don't believe that it's right.
US company Myriad Genetics owns the patent to a mutated gene known as BRCA1. Australian-based Genetic Technologies holds the patent licence here. Lawyers who've launched the case say patents are meant to protect inventions, not scientific discoveries.
We say that this gene is something that exists naturally in the human body and therefore it's a discovery and shouldn't attract patent protection.
Counsel for Myriad Genetics told the federal court the patent is not for the gene itself, but something created artificially to test for the probability of breast and ovarian cancer. The cancer group, which is jointly fighting the patent, says the case has far-reaching implications.
The way research is going now in the development and diagnosis of cancer, it's all about isolating the gene that provides this cancer. So yes, this is a very, very important test case.
Myriad Genetics lost a similar case in the United States, but that decision was later overturned on appeal. Cancer Voices Australia says the company's argument in defence of the Australian patent raises a worrying precedent.
It's very important to make sure that the drugs and the testing are seen as one of the same, and I think any separation of this could have a major impact on cancer diagnosis and treatment in the future.
A number of experts will give evidence at the hearing, which is expected to last about a week. Carl Herr, ABC News, Sydney.